Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Daily Income, your go-to resource for mastering your money and building your wealth. I'm thrilled to have you all here. You know, one of the secrets to achieving financial freedom is not relying on a single source of income, but instead building multiple streams of income. And what's even better? Building income streams that generate money even when you're not actively working. That's right, I'm talking about passive income. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of passive income. We'll explore some of the best ways to build passive income streams in 2023. And trust me, this could be a game changer for your financial future. But before we get started, if you find our content helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our future financial wisdom drops. Let's get started, shall we? Alright, so let's kick things off by understanding what passive income really is. Passive income refers to money that you earn with little to no daily effort to maintain. Now, don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean there's no work involved at all. But the beauty of passive income is that once you've put in the initial effort, whether it's writing a book, creating an online course, or investing in stocks, the income continues to roll in even when you're not actively working on it. The benefits of passive income are numerous. It can provide financial stability, create opportunities for more free time, allow you to retire earlier, and even give you the freedom to pursue your passions. Imagine not having to worry about living paycheck to paycheck, or being able to travel the world while your investments or online business continue to generate income for you. But let's address some common misconceptions about passive income. First and foremost, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a reliable passive income stream often involves a significant amount of upfront work and investment. Secondly, it's not entirely passive at all times. Depending on the type of income stream, some maintenance might be required. But don't let these misconceptions deter you. With dedication, patience, and smart strategies, passive income can truly become a cornerstone of your wealth-building journey. Alright, let's dive a bit deeper into the world of passive income. As I mentioned earlier, passive income is money you earn that doesn't require your active participation on a daily basis. It's like having a golden goose. Once you've acquired it and taken care of it initially, it can continue laying golden eggs without your constant intervention. Now, the benefits of passive income are truly transformative. One of the key benefits is financial security. By having a passive income stream, you're no longer solely dependent on your day job to pay the bills. You've got a backup, a safety net. This can significantly reduce financial stress. Another incredible advantage is the potential for more free time. Because you're not trading time for money, you can have more time to spend with your family, take up a hobby, or even work on creating more passive income streams. Passive income also paves the way to early retirement. If you build up enough passive income to cover your living expenses, the 9-to-5 grind becomes optional. And wouldn't we all love the freedom to choose whether or not we want to work? And lastly, passive income can provide the financial freedom to pursue your true passions without the worry of how you're going to pay the bills. It can free you up to do the work you love, not just the work you need. But it's crucial to dispel some myths about passive income. The biggest one? That it's a magic instant pathway to wealth. The reality is, building a passive income stream often requires a significant upfront investment, whether it's time, money, or often both. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building sustainable wealth over time. Another misconception is that passive income means no work at all. That's not entirely accurate. Depending on your income source, you might need to invest some time in maintenance, updates, or customer service. But the key here is that the time you spend is not directly proportional to the money you earn. So with all this in mind, don't be discouraged. Building passive income is like planting a seed. It requires initial effort and patience, but once it starts to grow, it can provide fruit for years to come. Now let's dive into some practical ways to create your own passive income streams in 2023.
Real estate investments. One of the most popular and proven methods of generating passive income is through real estate investments. This can take several forms, such as rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or even crowdfunding real estate platforms. For rental properties, the idea is simple. You buy a property, rent it out, and the rent you collect generates income. Of course, you'll need to factor in expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. But if done correctly, this can be a lucrative passive income source. If buying a property sounds daunting, you might consider REITs, or crowdfunding platforms. These allow you to invest in real estate indirectly, even with a small amount of money, and earn dividends over time. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a large social media following. To get started, find a product or service you love and believe in. Then sign up for their affiliate program, get your referral link, and start promoting. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity and building trust with your audience. 3. Stock market investments and dividends, 6:01 to 8 o'clock. Investing in the stock market has long been a path to wealth creation. By buying shares of a company, you're essentially buying a piece of that company's future profits. Some companies even pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends, which can be a great source of passive income. Starting to invest can be as simple as opening a brokerage account, depositing money, and buying shares. However, investing wisely requires knowledge and strategy, so make sure to educate yourself or consult with a financial advisor. Blogging or YouTube ad revenue. If you enjoy creating content, starting a blog or a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income. Once your platform gains traction, you can monetize it through ads, sponsored content, or even your own products or services. Starting a blog or YouTube channel involves choosing a niche, creating valuable content consistently, and growing your audience. It's a long game, but the potential payoff is worth the effort. Creating a digital product or course. Finally, consider creating a digital product or course. If you have expertise in a certain area, why not package that knowledge into an ebook, an online course, or a webinar? Once created, these products can be sold over and over again, generating passive income. To get started, identify a topic you're knowledgeable about and that others are interested in learning. Then, choose your format, create your product, and set up a platform to sell it. Remember, each of these methods requires initial work and investment. But with dedication, patience, and strategic action, they can set you on the path to financial freedom through passive income. Let's dig a bit deeper into one of these methods next. Affiliate marketing. Now that we've covered a variety of passive income ideas, I'd like to zero in on one that is particularly accessible to most people and has immense potential: affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote a product or service offered by a company and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation for both parties. The company gets more sales, and you get a piece of the profit. What makes affiliate marketing so attractive is its potential to become a significant source of passive income. Once you've put in the work to create content and promote your affiliate products, that content can continue to generate income long after you've published it. Whether you're asleep, on vacation, or busy with other projects, your affiliate content is out there working for you. But how do you succeed in affiliate marketing? Here are a few tips. 1. Choose the right products or services. Don't just promote any product that has an affiliate program. Instead, choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend even without a commission. This will make your promotions more authentic and trustworthy, which is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is key to effective affiliate marketing. What are their interests, needs, and challenges? What kind of products or services can help them? By aligning your affiliate products with your audience's needs, you'll have a higher chance of making sales. 3. Provide value. Don't just spam your audience with affiliate links. Instead, create valuable content that helps your audience solve a problem or make a decision. This could be a product review, a tutorial, or a comparison post. By providing value, you'll build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them using your affiliate links. 4. Be transparent. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing.
Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience and follow all relevant regulations. Not only is this the ethical thing to do, but it can also enhance your audience's trust in you. 5. Be patient. Finally, remember that successful affiliate marketing takes time. It might take a while to see significant income from your efforts, but with persistence, continuous learning, and consistent effort, you can build a lucrative affiliate marketing income stream. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, I want to share a fantastic resource with you, ultimateaffiliatelist.com. This site is a goldmine for anyone looking to get started with affiliate marketing, but more on that in just a bit. Remember, each of these tips is key to building a successful affiliate marketing business, but as with any passive income venture, remember that patience and consistency are vital. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the potential payoff can be well worth the effort. Alright folks, now it's time for a game changer, ultimateaffiliatelist.com. This tool is a treasure trove for anyone serious about affiliate marketing. Ultimate Affiliate List is essentially a comprehensive directory of affiliate programs across various industries. It's like a search engine, but specifically for finding affiliate opportunities. No more hunting around on individual company websites to find their affiliate programs. No more wondering whether a particular product or service even offers an affiliate program. It's all there, in one place, at your fingertips. The benefits of using Ultimate Affiliate List are substantial. Firstly, it saves you a ton of time. Instead of manually searching for affiliate programs, you can find them all in one place. Secondly, it opens up new opportunities. With a database this large, you're bound to discover affiliate programs you never knew existed. And thirdly, it can help you diversify. By exploring different categories and niches, you can diversify your affiliate income and reduce risk. So how do you use Ultimate Affiliate List? It's straightforward. Visit ultimateaffiliatelist.com. Use the search bar to type in keywords related to your niche or products you're interested in. Browse through the list of affiliate programs that pop up. Click on the ones you're interested in for more information and to sign up. As we wrap up our deep dive into building passive income streams in 2023, let's quickly recap what we've covered. We've discussed what passive income is, why it's a game changer for your financial health, and some of the common misconceptions about it. We've also explored some exciting passive income ideas, including real estate investments, affiliate marketing, stock market investments, blogging or YouTube ad revenue, and creating a digital product or course. We then took a closer look at affiliate marketing, a highly accessible and potentially lucrative source of passive income. We talked about what it is, how it works, and some tips for success in this field. Finally, we introduced you to an amazing tool for your affiliate marketing journey, ultimateaffiliatelist.com. This platform can save you time, open up new opportunities, and help you diversify your affiliate income. Remember, building passive income streams is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and strategic action, but the potential rewards are well worth the effort. Financial freedom, more free time, less financial stress, these are all within your reach. So, are you ready to start your passive income journey? Head over to ultimateaffiliatelist.com and start exploring the myriad of affiliate programs available to you. I'm excited to see where this journey takes you. I'd also love to hear about your experiences with passive income. Have you tried any of the methods we discussed? Do you have any tips or tricks to share with the Learn Daily Income community? Please drop your comments below. Sharing is caring, and your insights could help someone else on their journey. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found it valuable and that it inspires you to start or continue your journey towards financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos packed with financial tips and tricks. This is Learn Daily Income, your go-to YouTube channel for financial literacy, signing off. Thank you for watching, and remember, every day is a day to learn and grow financially. Until next time, take care and happy earning. Until